Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am home on lunch break right now and figured I would jump on here and show you all what I did get done in the baby journal last night after I turned the camera off. So as you can see, it's a chunky one. The spine ended up being 3 inches, and on the first, third, and fifth signature, I put some buttons down that center spine. So it went from 3 signatures to 5. Yeah. So let's just jump on in and look real quick. So most of this you've already seen, and I have so much more to do, but I just added some more pages to it. Some different like scrapbook type paper. I have a vellum envelope in I think maybe 3 of the signatures, and what I'm going to do is cut these strings off. I'm going to glue this part shut, and then I'm going to open the envelopes right there so there'll be pockets. Let's see what else. I don't know that there's a lot that you haven't actually seen that I've actually done. You know, other than adding some different papers and stuff in, like this one. But I got to thinking about, you know, this is going to be her baby book, but I also want it to be something that she can keep forever. Look how pretty that is. And so I'm also working, this is that tablecloth I showed you guys. So I folded it up and made pockets. I'm so sorry. Another one of those vellum envelopes. Yeah, but I am also making like some little card type things for everybody at the baby shower to write one to Ansley. And it will go into like a little pocket or something here in the journal, so that she will always have that. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. As you can see, I was having a little bit too much fun. And I think it was probably well after midnight last night when I realized what time it was, and I'm like, okay, I have to stop. Because that's one thing I do when I am working on something. I really don't want to stop until I'm done. But I needed to stop because I have to work today. Okay, so the other things that we have already completed, we've got some ephemera type stuff. So I'm going to have, you know, this kind of stuff just stuck down in different places. I'm not exactly sure what all I'm going to put where. This tag here, this is a tag, but I also have it open on the inside, so something can be stuck down in there. So I'm just going to start putting this stuff like throughout, just so that I can kind of get an idea. This is like a little shaker card, and so I don't even know where to put this. I guess we can just kind of set it in there for right now, just to get it off of my desk. Yeah, so, and then this is that little fold out little envelope thing, so we'll have something in there. We're just going to set that in there for right now. Let's see. I don't know if this is too big for there. No, that'll fit right in there. That works really good. And then we also have this little lunch sack journal type thing. I need to figure out where to put it. So I still have so much to do. And, you know, I want to get it all done. I'm just going to set this right here for right now. We might even just do it kind of like this. Okay, so we've got that. Now, the other thing, I think I showed you guys this right here, this maternity sash that I got at Hobby Lobby. But look how pretty that is going to be on that journal cover. I am loving it. And yes, I am going to put it on there just like that. I love that it is so big and bulky. I love it. And then I will use the ribbon. I may actually use the satin ribbon that came with it to for the closure for the journal. Okay, so I just went ahead and cut that off because you know what? I'm going to just go ahead and do it. I think I like it right there actually. So let's just go ahead and put it down. That way I'll feel a little bit accomplished with being home on my lunch break. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I am having a very good day. Other than, you know, just I'm stressing over all of the stuff I need to get done by this weekend. But other than that, I am doing wonderful. I am definitely tired this morning after my staying up so late working on this, but I knew that as soon as I got to thinking that I wanted to change the cover, I knew that I would not be happy unless I did. Oh my God, I love this, guys. Oh my goodness. Look how girly that looks. I love it. Yes, it's the little things that make me happy. Okay, so let's make some more stuff for this while I have a few minutes. I am going to just pull out, I have these scraps. So I'm just going to pull these scraps out. Okay, that's that tablecloth. So here's some more stuff here. Okay, so I think I want to let me see. I don't know what I want to do. Maybe like some journal type cards. That would be cute. Look at that. How cute would that be like that? I think that would be adorable. So let's do that. And then I had got some craft paper, and I don't know what I've done with it. I had set it out last night to be able to use, and oh, I found it. Oh my goodness, it's just been, you know, trying to get this done. You know, and it's not that big of a deal. I don't know why I'm stressing over it, because it'll get done. So there's absolutely no reason for me to stress other than the fact that I'm just going to stress. So I cut that one at 6. So I want to cut this maybe at 6.5. Because I want a little bit of room on all sides. And then we may put some kind of a vellum pocket or something on the back. Who knows? We'll figure it out. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and round these corners here. So I don't know if this video will get uploaded before I get back to work. I have absolutely no cell service at my job. So if it doesn't finish uploading before I go back in the office, it's not going to. And you know what I may do? I'm throwing stuff off the end of my table. I may just glue right down the center of that, and then I may sew it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Why is my glue acting up? Y'all know I just cleaned this out the other day, and I mean, like, because it was so bad. Oh my God, I was so embarrassed as to how bad it was. I mean, it was bad. And it looks like it's trying to be that bad again almost. It's like wanting a string. Leave it to me, guys. Yes. And I keep the lid on it, so I don't know. Watch, I'm probably going to be squeezing, and then it's just going to go flying out everywhere. How many of you guys watched the video where that happened with my Fabri-Tac? I was using my Fabri-Tac, and then I squeezed too hard, and it just went everywhere. Like, everywhere. But it wasn't the end of the world. We got it cleaned up, and, you know, it could have been worse. Alright, so I've got some glue there, and obviously it's in all kinds of different like globs in some places and not enough in other places, but it's okay because I am going to sew around that. And so I think I probably should back that with some of this craft paper. Just let me do that. So, well, guys, what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to go ahead and end the video. I mainly wanted to get on here and just show you guys what I had got done last night after I turned the camera off. So I am going to get off. I have just a few more minutes at home, and what I will try to do is see if I can get this video uploaded, just so that you guys can see where we're at in this process. And while it is uploading, I will probably go ahead and glue around this, and then hopefully I will be able to be back on tonight with some more. I know I'll be back this evening to do some more in the gratitude journal. It is day 3, and I haven't even looked to see what day 3 is. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm going to keep working until I have to go back to work. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And look, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy that one more time. Love it. All right.